Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Doordash app not working. So if your Doordash application is not working, here's exactly what you can do to get that done. The first thing is, okay, let's go ahead and launch the application first. It's not like you can even have access to the application if your Doordash app is not working, but I just want to put it for aesthetic purposes. So if your Doordash app is not working, I'm going to warn you through different steps that you can take. First off, you're going to have to check if you have a great internet connection. Okay, because if you do not have an awesome internet connection, then you're definitely going to have issues getting into your app. So ensure that the internet connection is strong enough to contain everything that DoorDash makes available for you. And then once you see that it is strong enough, all right, then that's fine. Let's hop into the next step. The next step is you're gonna have to check Google Play Store or Apple Store, wherever you downloaded it from, to see if there's an update option. Let's say you really need to update your apps to get access to the enhanced features. All right, so head over to your, let's say, Google Play Store, for instance. Go to Google Play Store, click on the search bar, and then in the search bar type DoorDash. Now once you click on DoorDash, if you see updates, if you see the update button next to the application, it means you need to update. So click on the update button and update the application. Then try to log into the application again. That should work. But if that doesn't work, then you will need to go clear cache. Okay, and how do you do that? Head over to your phone settings. Head over to your phone setting. It works with diverse phones. All right, it works in different ways for different phones. So once you get to your phone settings, go ahead and click on manage apps in your phone settings from the search bar. Once you get to manage apps, go ahead and search for DoorDash. Once you get to DoorDash, click on DoorDash. You're going to see the clear cache option or clear data. Go ahead and click on clear cache, please, not clear data. Click on clear cache, and once you click on clear cache, you can go back to open up your DoorDash app, and that should work. But if that doesn't work, then you're going to have to restart your phone. Restart or reboot, whichever word it is in your phone. So go ahead and restart or reboot your phone, and once you do that, then the app should start working. But if it still doesn't work, then I'm sorry, you're gonna have to make this hard decision of uninstalling the application and reinstalling. Now, if you open the DoorDash application with your Google account or your Facebook account, you have nothing to worry about, because entering inside the app is definitely going to be seamless. But if you did that manually using the mail, then you really need to know your password, because once you uninstall and reinstall, you're going to have to start the sign in or the login process from top to bottom. Okay, so uninstall and head over to either Google Play Store or Apple Play Store or Apple Store. And then go ahead and reinstall the application from there and just start afresh. Now once you start afresh, trust me, this application should start working. If it doesn't work, then there's nothing else that you're going to do. All right, save for contacting the customer care, but I'm not sure you're gonna have to go as far as doing that. Once you uninstall and you reinstall, it should definitely start working, having done all of the steps. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.